Hey everybody, LadyLibertyStacker. Today is Wednesday, May 18th, 2022, and this is going to be a relatively short video. I just made myself an omelet in my favorite skillet, a number 7 Griswold. It's been heating up now for about, starting to smoke, for about 4 minutes. So I'm going to turn off the timer. I just want to show you just kind of how I keep it ready to go. Sometimes, I don't like to clean right away after I have the omelet, so I soak it in just water in the sink while I eat, maybe like 10-15 minutes tops. Then I just rinse it out, dry it on the stove for a couple minutes, and now we're going to do a mini reseasoning. I'm going to use bacon grease that is saved from when I do bacon, and that makes a wonderful seasoning agent, super cheap as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to get sometimes it's hard to get out. I keep it refrigerated because I don't use it that much. I mean, I use it, but not constantly because I do eat out a lot. So I just took a spoonful, put it in here. You can hear it sizzle. I'm going to go ahead and spread it all around. This is just wonderful seasoning. I'm on the ketogenic diet, so bacon is a staple in my diet. And good for you, as long as you get, uncured bacon, which I try to get when possible. So that's our wipe on rag. We're going to wipe off the way we've always done. This one's getting fairly used up here. And we're going to wipe on, wipe off on the stove. And this is going to keep this one nice and black. I would suggest doing this every time or every other time with a new pan. And with an established one, you don't need to do it every time, but I would say every other time to build up your seasoning. It's probably necessary more when you have a lot of skillets and you don't use them all every day. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe on the seasoning on the back. And you can't see me, I'm going to wipe the handle over here. I just don't want to scrape my stove tops. That's why I use these silicone mats. They're very, very helpful in keeping down the scratches on the stove top. We're going to rinse or wipe it all off now. And I'm going to put it back on the burner. I'm going to set the timer for about 2 minutes. And you just want to get it going until it smokes and then just wipe it off again. That's about it. But that's kind of how I've been doing my seasoning with these, and I will be back to show you when it smokes. Okay guys, I am back. The buzzer just went off and you can see how it is smoking there. And that's the best time. I'll turn off the burner too. That's the best time to wipe it on down, wipe it out. It'll be nice and black. And you want to use the lint-free shop vac towels. I get these at Costco. They're Scott, I should say. It's the Scotch the sponges that I'm thinking of. But anyway, these are basically lint-free. And look how nice and black that is. You can keep it nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and let it cool off over here. And there it is. But you need to do this more often with the more skillets you have, and each skillet gets less use because you have so many. Or you don't have to do it so often as you build your layers of seasoning. So there it is, guys. I just wanted to let you know I was back. Everything's fine. Just been busy with life. All right, guys. Go make it a great day. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give me a thumb up, leave a comment or question below, and I will get back to you. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching.